Are the voice and screen clear? All okay? Are the voice and screen clear? All okay, good. Let everyone join. Fine. Today also we will have one more meeting, okay? Today as well there will be no chemistry lecture. So we'll cover physics. Same type of questions can be asked in the chemistry as well, okay? So there also you will get the same answer, but only thing is for work done you will use the formula as minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10. V2 upon V1 or P1 upon P2. V2 upon V1, final upon initial. Basically V2 upon V1 means final upon initial volume, okay? Do we have the data of temperature for the process B to C? For the process B to C, we have the data of temperature, so tick mark. Do we have the data of volume for the process B to C? Yes, we have. And if we don't have the data of volume, V2 upon V1, then I will write P1 upon P2. I will write P1 upon P2, because if I am not having data of volume, I will be having data of at least pressures. Okay, so I am having temperature data, volume data. Okay, number of moles already given to be equal to n. So we have to find out answer in terms of nRT, P1, P2, sorry, nRT and V. Okay, so let's try to find it out. So work done in the process B to C, it will be 2.303 nRT. What is T? Sir, T is 2 times T0. So 2 times T0 log to the base 10. Sir, V2, B to C, final is 2 times V0. Initial volume is, sir, point B, initial volume is V0. Fine. So that will give me 2 times 2.303, 2 times 2.303. I will not do this multiplication, I will keep it as it is. nRT0 log to the base 10. V0 cancel, it will be 2. You may write this 2.303 into log to the base 10 as ln2. Okay, so 2 times nRT into ln2, that is also okay, no problem. This is the work done in the process B to C. Okay, call this as 1, call this equation as 2. Now A to B, C to D, A, B and C D चा विचार झाला. B to C we have thought of. Now D to A. Now process D to A. Now process D to A is again isothermal. Process D to A is again isothermal. Okay, and we are using the formula, so we don't have to care about the sign. The formula takes care of the sign on its own. Okay, now for the process D to A, which is again isothermal process, sir, we have to again use the formula 2.303 nRT log to the base 10. 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 V2 upon V1 or P1 upon P2. V2 upon V1, final upon initial. Again we use formula. Here we applied that formula. Here also we will again apply that formula for the process D to A. Sir, this 2.303 will remain as it is. nR, what is T? For the process D to A, sir, temperature is T0. Log to the base 10 as it is, sir. D to A, so A is the final point, D is the initial point. D to A is the final point, D is the initial point. So final upon initial, V2 upon V1. Final is V0, initial is 2V0. Fine, sir. So, sir, the answer becomes 2.303 nRT0 log to the base 10 log of 1/2. Log of 1/2. Now, log of 1/2 can be written like this. this entire thing will remain same. 1/2 can be written as 2 raised to minus 1. 1/2 can be written as 2 raised to minus 1. Log of m raised to n is n log m. Log of m raised to n is n log m. So this minus 1 can be brought as a coefficient. So that minus 1 I am writing here. Minus 2.303 nRT0 into log to the base 10 of this 2. Okay, this is work done in the process D2A. This is our work done in the process D2A. Call this as equation number 3. Call this as equation number 3. Now everyone, let me know in the chat box, is this method clear to all of you? That when we are not given pressure volume curve, in that case, split the curve into different processes, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. Find out work done for each process. A to B च work done, B to C च, C to D च, D to A च. Find out all the individual work done. Okay, don't draw pressure volume diagram. If you are thinking like this, sir, we are given temperature volume diagram, we will draw the pressure volume diagram and we'll figure out the area. That will take a lot of time. Okay, and a lot of mathematics also. We can do that, but that will take definitely more time than this. I have verified it. Okay, I have did it. I think last to last year. त्याच्या एक 2 वर्षापूर्वी मी ते केलं होतं ऑलरेडी. ती मेथड मी व्हेरीफाय केली होती. सो ते कर्व पासिंग थ्रू ओरिजिनच्या ज्या काही लाईन्स येतात त्याच्यामुळे जे काही ट्रायंगल बनतात त्याचा एरिया वगैरे विचार करत बसायला बराच वेळ लागतो. सो इन्स्टेड ऑफ दॅट, दिस मेथड विच इज जनरली standardized, we will be using that only. Okay, so we will practice this method and we will master this method. That's it, and we will get our 4 marks. All right, sir. Now we know work done for each and every process. Now if I know work done for each and every process, let me write down the remaining part here. So we have to write it like this: work done in the cyclic process, and now we have to write the cycle. A, B, C, D, A is the cycle. See how it is written. A, B, C, D, A. You have to again write this point A so that you can show that it is a cycle. So work done in the process A, B, C, D, A is work done in the process AB plus work done in the process BC plus work done in the process CD plus work done in the process DA plus work done in the process DA. Now let me rub the unnecessary equations. Let me rub these unnecessary equations. And let me write this here. Work done in the process B to C is equal to 2 times 2.303 nRT0 log to the base 10 of 2. Fine, sir. So let me continue this here. Work done in the cyclic process A, B, C, D, A is equal to work done in the process AB. Work done in the process AB and CD is equal to 0. So AB is 0 plus work done in the process B to C. It is this 2 times 2.303 nRT0 log to the base 10 of 2. Work done in the process BC plus work done in the process CD. Work done in the process CD is, sir, 0 plus work done in the process AB, BC, CD, DA. DA is this minus 2.303 nRT0 log to the base 10 of 2. Yes, now this is 2 times some value minus 1 times that value. So 2 minus 1 and the same value will remain. Let us call this entire value as x. So this will be equal to 2x. 2 times x. 2 times x minus x will be x. So answer will be 2.3. 303 nRT0 log to the base 10 of 2, and from the options, if they have given in terms of ln, then 2.303 log to the base 10 can be written as ln means log to the base e of 2. That's it. Check whether I am right or wrong. Check करा बाळांनो, समजलंय का तुम्हाला? Check whether you have got it or not. We use the formula of work done in isothermal process. Work done in isothermal process चा formula use केला. 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 V2 upon V1 if volume data is given, and P1 upon P2 reverse sequence reverse, and P1 upon P2 if pressure data is given. Temperature data they have to give. Temperature data they have to give, or at least some additional data by which we can figure out the temperature, that should be given to us. Fine. So check, is this question clear to all of you or not? Because we'll now move on to the next question. आता आणखीन एका नवीन युद्धावरती जायचं आपल्याला. हे युद्ध जिंकलं का आपण? Tell me. So this battle is over now. Finding out the work done. See, thermodynamics is on fundamental level. It is literally very easy. It's literally very easy. If you know how to solve a particular type of question, if you know the method, just go and follow it. You will get full marks. Okay. And sometimes, suppose in the exam, if it happens something like this, that you don't know what this question means, just skip it. Just skip it, because every question in the thermodynamics, almost every time will ask you to do some sort of steps, 1 2 3 4, those steps. It demands some steps. Okay, immediately writing immediately answer is generally not possible in this chapter. Okay, for some cases, some particular easy examples, it is definitely possible, but for other question it demands the methods. Okay, steps 1 2 3 4. Okay. So last step I have not understood. Okay, let me complete my statement, then we'll do that again. So what I am saying is, every question in the thermodynamics, okay, which is a thermodynamics is basically a moderate level chapter. Okay, it's not a difficult level chapter. So moderate level chapter will demand you to do some certain steps. Step number 1 2 3 4. Okay, when you encounter an example and you are sure that I know how to solve this question, go for it, solve it, you will get a mark. Okay, because there is a precise method to do it. Okay, and when you think that no, I don't know exactly how to solve it, but I can figure out the methods or steps, I can figure out that this should be done first, this should be done later. So such kind of question you can simply mark for review, because ultimately it is going to take time. Okay, so for each type of process I have to figure out what is the value of work done for AB, work done for BC, CD, and then DA, and then add all those work done to find out the final work done. And the fact is, work done is a scalar value. Okay, work done is scalar, so you can simply add them algebraically. So in the total work done can be written as AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay, now the last step. In the last step, what we did, see, this entire term and this entire term are same. If we call this value as x, 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 of 2, this value as x, then this will be 2 times x. So 2 times x minus x will be x. 2 times x minus x will be x. So fakta wajabaki केली. Okay, we have just did the subtraction. Or you may take this 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 of 2 common. 2 minus 1 will be 1. So this common into 1 will remain the common thing as it is. Okay, fine. Hope it is clear now. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 13. Question number 13. All the standard types of examples which build your logic are given as a solved example or as an illustrations. So that's a very good thing about this. Because when you go for solving the exercise, you will find out that most of the things we already know. Only some 2 or 3 things or 2% or 1% things we have to add up from the exercise. Otherwise, almost everything we just know. Fine. Pressure temperature curve is given now. Okay. In the example 12, we were given temperature volume curve, but now we are given pressure temperature curve of the cyclic process shown. Find out the work done by the gas in the process if number of moles are n. What is given? Sir, pressure temperature curve or the graph. Process is cyclic process. Process is cyclic process. Okay, sir. CYC stands for cyclic process. And we have to find number of moles. We are given number of moles as n. We have to find out the work done. Okay, sir. See what they have did is this pressure, then this temperature, line passing through origin, and on these lines there are some segments of the processes like this, like this, like this. Okay. Clockwise process. Fine. So you may ultimately verify that work done is a positive value. If you go by formula method, no need to consider the sign. If you go by area method, yes, you have to think of sign. If you go by formula method, no need to think of sign of the work done. Formula will take care of that. But if you go by the area enclosed inside the curve method, pressure volume curve method, in that case, area method, you have to think of the sign. Whether you find out numerical value or non-numerical value, that you have to figure out. I will generally suggest that if you are finding out the area, then find out the positive numerical value first, then go for the sign. Now here we are given the pressure temperature curve. Don't go for conversion of the curve. Don't go for the conversion of the curve. Try to find out the processes which are isothermal, which are isobaric, which are isochoric, and then try to write down the work dones. Okay. So where are the points A, B, C, D? Sir, this is the point A. This one is the B. This one is the C, and this one is the D. Okay. Sir, pressure C, A to B. Let's try to understand. A to B. Let's write something about A to B. We can see pressure proportional to temperature because line passing through origin. Pressure proportional to temperature because line passing through origin, and pressure increasing, temperature increasing, and pressure increasing, temperature increasing. So for PV is equal to nRT, pressure increasing, temperature increasing, direct proportion we are given. Pressure increasing, temperature increasing, direct proportion we are given. So 100% this volume should be a constant value. Agree, disagree, let me know in the chat box. From this we can construct this. Then from this can we construct this? Zara balano check kara. Given that A to B, pressure increasing, temperature increasing. A to B क्या होते हैं? Temperature increase, pressure increase, and line passing through origin. So this pressure increase, temperature increasing, and line passing through origin. So proportionality, direct proportionality. So for that the volume must be constant. So A to B काय असणार बा? Process A to B. A to B काय असणार? Isochoric. Good. Isochoric. Shall I write work done in the isochoric process 0? Shall I write work done in the isochoric process 0? Yes, sir, you can write. Basically, sir, you can write anything what you want because right now marker is in your hand. So you can write whatever you want. Okay. Work done in isochoric process is 0. Now B to C. Let us write something about B to C. Okay. Now B to C process. Now you tell me. B to C process is what? Isochoric, isobaric, isothermal, adiabatic. What is that? B to C, just observe the graph and tell me. If it is a straight line graph, go for this analysis. If it is straight line parallel to either x and y axis, then you can immediately predict whether it is isobaric or isothermal. It is isobaric. It is isobaric. Okay, so B to C is isobaric because see, these straight lines are not oblique lines. Straight lines are not oblique lines. Those are either parallel to temperature axis or the pressure axis. So right now it is parallel to temperature axis, and we can observe that it's a pressure constant graph, means isobaric. So for B to C or for the process BC, I will write isobaric. Isobaric. Okay. Now for isobaric, let's go for the formula method. Work done. Which formula we will use? Sir, P delta V. Sir, we will use P delta V. We know the value of pressure. What is that pressure value? P2. P2 value here. Value P2, value P1. Temperature data T1, T2, T3, T4. At point A, temperature T1. At point B, temperature T2. At point C, temperature T3. At point D, temperature T4. Data is given. Data is given. Okay, sir. So process B to C, formula is P delta V. Formula is P delta V. Pressure data we have. Pressure data B to C curves of pressure data we have, which is P2. Sir, but volume data we don't have. Volume data we don't have. Volume data we don't have. So what shall I do now? Just give me a second. Fine. I'm not given the volume data. So in that case, there is one more formula for the isobaric process. Just observe. This is the first formula which we know if it is to be used if volume data is given. But if volume data is not given, there is one more formula for the isobaric process. Try to understand. Delta V can be written as V2 minus V1, PV2 minus PV1. Okay. So PV is equal to nRT, PV2 is equal to nRT2, PV1 is nRT1. So there is one more formula of work done for isobaric process, which is nRT2 minus T1 or nR delta T or nR delta T. You can either use P delta V or nR delta V, nR delta T. nR delta T. Is that clear, everyone? We did it this yesterday. We did this, right? Work done in isobaric process. This formula or this formula. According to need, we will use it. As per the need, we will do it. Try to understand. Fine, sir. So guys, right now we are not given the data of volume, but sir, we have data of temperature. We have the data of temperature for isobaric process. We have data of temperature for isobaric process. So we'll go with this. N R delta T will be T2 minus T1. N number of moles N, R as it is. What is T2? This formula is being applied. This formula is being applied. And if it is confusing, because already T1, T2, T3, T4 notations are already used, then you can modify this formula as final minus initial, because it might confuse you with this T1 and T2. Okay. So all these are formulae. All these are just formulae. After application, we will get this T1, T2, T3 and T4 in the equation. So NR, what is the final temperature for B to C? Sir, for B to C process, final temperature is T3 minus initial temperature is T2. Initial temperature is T2. So that's it. This is the work done in the process B to C. We applied this formula. Call this as 2. Call this as 1. First task is done. Second task is done. AB चं work done झालं, BC चं work done झालं. Now we will find out work done of CD and work done of DA. That won't be the big task if you have understood this. Let me know in the chat box, clear and written, so that I can rub the things. Good. Fine. So let's move on to the next thing. Let's club the data. Let's club the data here. Work done in the process AB is 0, sir. Work done in the process B to C is this NR delta T. NR, what is delta T? It's T3 minus T1. Isobaric na? Isobaric चे दोन formulae. Isobaric we have two formulae, P delta V and NR delta T as per the need. As per the need. Fine, sir. Let's rub this. Third, C to D. Can anyone tell me C to D work done? Oblique line passing through origin. So do PV equal to NRT analysis. Oblique line passing through origin. Do PV equal to NRT analysis and find out which type of graph it is. PV equal to NRT. Straight line passing through origin implies that pressure directly proportional to temperature. Pressure directly proportional to temperature. And in this PV is equal to nRT, pressure directly proportional to temperature, line passing through origin, and pressure decreasing, temperature decreasing, pressure decreasing, temperature decreasing, pressure decreasing, temperature decreasing, and direct proportionality, line passing through origin, so volume must be constant. Volume must be constant. So the process C to D comes out to be isochoric again. Isochoric again, and we know work done in the isochoric process is equal to 0. Work done in the process C to D is equal to 0. Let me know in the chat box fast. Put सांगायचं. Everyone. I hope the method is clear now. Everyone is getting it. मेथड समजली ना तुम्हाला? आता फक्त मी फॉर्मॅलिटी म्हणून क्वेश्चन सॉल्व्ह करायला. झूम करा. क्लिअर दिसत नाही का तुला? कारण झूम केलं की सगळा सेटअप बिघडतो. करेक्ट नाही लिहिता येत. जागा पण कमी पडते. ऑलरेडी केले रे झूम, अजून नको. अजून जरा कुठे म्हणतोस? बस काय एवढं? अजून पाहिजेस? थोडासा मोठ्या स्क्रीनचा मोबाईल जर असेल तर बघ. ओके, और सरळ लॅपटॉप असेल तर बेस्ट. ऑल राईट,